Okay, let's look at the portfolio list for EBSCO ebooks. And one of the things that's happening is that when we did the linking for Open Athens, we added the shibboleth part here. But what we need to do is, instead of having it set to proxy selected easy proxy, hang on, we need to have it set to yes, but we need to have it set to be blank, I believe. And then when we do test access, you should see that it prompts you for the Gordon Network username and password. And okay, so it's not. It's prompting us for the Galileo password. So let's go back and we're going to do proxy enabled no and have it set to be blank. Okay, that's what we want. And then when we click sign in, it should take us to the resource. So this is the screen that we want. Wow, it really is slow. Okay, so, alright, there we go. Okay, so the settings for this are going to be proxy enabled no, and this is going to be the proxy deselected, which is just the proxy. When you see proxy selected, you're just going to do blank from the drop-down menu, which is deselecting it. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. If we go back to the service level, let's take a look at what we have. On the service level, we have proxy enabled no, and proxy selected is deselected. So what's on the service level, apparently that's not it's not inheriting that from the service level, or at least it's if the service level and the portfolio level aren't matching, it seems to be taking the information from the portfolio level. So both of those have to say proxy enabled no.